Good evening, students. Next, we can see the topic thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland present in our neck region. That is composed of two lobes. That is one lobe. That is one lobe. Thyroid gland is composed of two distant lobes lying on either side. Lying on either side. That is one side present. That is another side is present. Either side of the trachea, that is called as trachea. This is the trachea. This is trachea. That is thyroid gland. That is in each side. The two lobes are connected by a narrow bond tissue that is called as isthmus. That is called as isthmus. The two lobes are connected by a narrow bond that is called as isthmus. The gland is composed of glomerular follicles. These are follicles, small follicles, lined by endothelial cube epithelium cells. They are filled with thyroglobulin protein molecules. Once more reply, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is composed of two distant lobes on either side present in trachea. The two lobes are connected by a narrow tissue that is called as isthmus. The gland is composed of glandular follicle cells. It is lined with cuboidal epithelial cells. These follicles are filled with colloid material that is called as thyroglobulin. The follicle cells are filled with a colloid substance that is called as thyroglobulin. In thyroglobulin, the amino acid thyroxine is present. Thyroxine is present. There is an iodine are involved in the formation of thyroxine hormone or thyroid hormone. It is one more question. In thyroid hormone presentation is need for iodine. The hormones are secreted by thyroid glands. There are two glands, triiodothyroxine, tetraiodothyroxine or thyroxine. Triiodothyroxine means T3. Tetra means 4, that is T4. Tetraiodothyroxine or thyroxine. Two hormones secreted in this gland. Next we can see the functions of thyroxine hormone. It is a 5 mark question. The functions of thyroxine hormone is the production of energy by maintaining the basic metabolic rate. That is called as basic metabolic rate. That is our growing activities is called as basic metabolic rate. It is the 1 mark question. The basic metabolic rate is regulated by thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine hormone helps to maintain the normal body temperature. The normal body temperature is maintained by thyroxine hormone. It also influences the activity of central nervous system. Central nervous system means brain. Our brain activity is controlled by thyroxine hormone. It also controls the growth of body and bone formation. Bone formation and body tissue formation also regulated by thyroxine hormone. It is an essential for normal physical, mental and personality development. It is a normal function of physical development, mental development and personality development. It is also called as personality hormone. It is one more question. It regulates the cell metabolism. Thyroxine hormone is otherwise called as personality hormone. Once more reply. Functions of thyroxine hormone. It produces the basic metabolic rate. The functions of thyroxine hormone. It helps the maintenance of normal body temperature. Our body temperature is maintained by thyroxine hormone. It also influences the activity of central nervous system. Central nervous system means brain. It controls the activity of brain. Next, it also controls the growth of body tissue and bone formation. The bone formation, body tissue formation is controlled by thyroxine hormone. It is essential for normal physical development, mental development and personality development. It is the normal physical, mental and personality development. It also known as personality hormone. It regulates the cell metabolism. These are the functions of thyroxine hormone. Next, more to know. Edward Kental in 1904, the first crystallized thyroxine hormone produced. The first crystallized thyroxine hormone produced by Edward Kental. Charles Carrington and George Berger is identified the molecular structure of thyroxine in 97. Molecular structure of thyroxine is identified by George Carrington and George Berger. Charles Carrington and George Berger. Thyroid glands requires 120 UG of iodine every day produce thyroxine. Every day need the iodine in 120 UG grams. That's only produced minimum thyroxine hormone. Thyroid difunction. Difunction means slow function. Deficiency function. That is called as thyroid function. When the thyroid gland fails to secrete normal level of hormones, that is called as thyroid difunctions. The thyroid gland fails to the secretion of normal level is called as thyroid difunction. Hypo means to decreased. Hypo means decreased. Thyroidism means thyroxine. So decrease the thyroxine level is called as hypothyroidism. It is caused with the decreased secretion of thyroid hormones. It is caused by the decreased secretion of thyroxine hormone. Its abnormal condition is goiter, cretinism, myxedema. Goiter, cretinism, myxedema. These are the symptoms of hypothyroidism. Thyroid difunction. Di means slow function. When the thyroid gland fail to secrete the normal level of thyroxine hormone, this condition is called as thyroid difunction. That is called as hypothyroidism. Hypo means decreased. So decreased level of thyroxine is called as hypothyroidism. It is caused due to the decreased secretion of thyroxine hormone. The abnormal condition is simply goiter, cretinism and myxedema. This is the disease caused by the decreased secretion of thyroxine hormone. Next, goiter disease. This is the goiter disease. The neck thyroid gland is swelling up to the outgrowth is called as goiter. It is goiter is caused by due to the inadequate supply of iodine. It is the main important element in thyroxine. The inadequate supply of the iodine cause goiter. This is commonly prevalent in the Himalayan regions due to the low level of iodine content in soil. It is also mostly present in Himalayas region. So because the Himalayas regions soil low level of iodine content, so goiter disease formed. It leads to the enlargement means swelling of thyroid gland, which produces the marked swelling of the neck is called as goiter. It is the 2-mark question, most important 2-mark question. What are the symptoms of goiter? It is caused due to the inadequate supply of iodine element. This is commonly prevalent in Himalayan regions because our Himalayan region soils have low level of iodine element. It leads to the enlargement of thyroid gland, which produces the marked swelling of the neck is called as goiter disease. It is a 2-mark question. Next disease is cretinism. Cretinism is also the decreased function of thyroxine hormone. It is caused decreased secretion of thyroid hormones in children. It is the most important children. Only children, the deficiency of thyroxine is called as cretinism. The condition is stunted growth to arrest the growth. Mental defect. It is also mental defect. Lack of skeletal development and deformed bones. These called cretins or cretinisms. Cretinism, it is a decreased secretion of thyroxine hormone in children. The condition is stunted growth to arrest the growth and mental defect and lack of skeletal development and deformed bones. They are called cretins. Next, myxedema, another disease. Myxedema. It is caused deficiency of thyroid hormone in adults. This is the important points. In adult, decreased secretion of thyroxine is called as myxedema. In children, the decreased secretion of thyroxine is called as cretinism. It is caused due to the deficiency of thyroid hormone in adults. They are mentally sluggish. புக்குத்தி கூர்மை இருக்காது. Increased body weight should be increased. Puffness of the face, puffnessனு உப்பி போயிருக்கும், மூஞ்சிலாம் அப்படி உப்பி போயிருக்கும். And hands, ஒடிமியஸ் அப்பியரன்ஸ் அப்படின்னா வீங்கி போன மாதிரி இருப்பாங்க, உடம்பே வீங்கி போன மாதிரி இருக்கும், அது பேர் மிக்ஸோடிமா. Myxedema is a decreased secretion of thyroxine hormone. Mentally sluggish, mentally புத்தி கூர்மை இழந்து விடுவார்கள். இன்க்ரீஸ்டு பாடி வெயிட், ரொம்ப குண்டாயிருவாங்க. பஃப்னஸ் ஆஃப் தி ஃபேஸ் அண்ட் ஹேர், முகமெல்லாம் உப்பி போயிருக்கும். ஒடியமஸ் அப்பியரன்ஸ்னால் முகமெல்லாம் வீங்கியிருக்கும். Cretinism, it is the decreased secretion of thyroid hormone in children. The symptoms of cretinism is stunned growth, mental defect, lack of skeletal development, deformed bones. This is called cretins. Eczema, it is a decreased secretion of thyroid hormone in adults. They are mentally sluggish, increased body weight, puffiness of the face and head, and oedemous appearance is called as myxedema. Next, hypersecretion. Hyper means increased. Thyroidism is thyroxine hormone. So increased the thyroxine hormone level is called as hyperthyroidism. It is caused due to the excess secretion of thyroid hormones, due to the excess secretion, which leads to the grave disease. It is one more question. Grave disease is caused by increased secretion of thyroxine hormone. The symptoms of protrusion of the eyeballs, அப்படின்னா கண்ணு மொட்டாங்கன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க இல்லையா, கண்ணு வெளியில் வந்து நீட்டிகிட்டு இருக்கும், அதுக்கு பேர் protrusion of eyeballs. அது எக்ஸோப்தால்மியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பேர். அப்படின்னா மொட்டாங்கண்ணு, கண்ணு வெளியில் தொங்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும் ஒரு சில பேர், அதுக்கு பேர் எக்ஸோப்தால்மியா. இன்க்ரீஸ்டு மெட்டபாலிக் ரேட், ஹை பாடி டெம்பரேச்சர், பர்ஃப்யூஸ் ஸ்வெட்டிங், எப்பவும் வேத்து கொட்டிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். த லாஸ் ஆஃப் பாடி வெயிட் அண்ட் நர்வஸ்னஸ், எப்பவும் நடுக்கமாகவே இருப்பாங்க. அப்படி இருந்தால் எங்களுக்கு பேர் ஹைப்பர் தைராய்டிசம். Hyperthyroidism, hyper means increased, thyroidism means increased secretion of thyroid gland is called as hypersecretion. It is caused due to the excess secretion of thyroid hormones, which leads to the grave disease. The symptoms of grave disease is protrusion of the eyeballs, that is exophthalmia, increased metabolic rate, high body temperature, profuse sweating, and loss of body weight and nervousness are the symptoms of hyperthyroidism. Next gland is parathyroid gland, that is trachea, that is thyroid gland. This is the parathyroid gland. Inside the thyroid gland there is 4 round bodies, that is called as parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 in number. Oval bodies, they are round shaped bodies, that is situated in the posterior surface of thyroid gland, that is anterior side, that is posterior side. The chief cells of the glands mainly concerned with secretion of parathyroid. The parathyroid gland secretes the hormone is called as parathyroid. Once more reply, parathyroid gland, this is the thyroid gland, these 4 is parathyroid gland. They are in 4 small oval bodies surrounded by posterior surface of the thyroid gland. The chief cells of the parathyroid gland secretes parathyroid hormone. Next, functions of parathyroid hormone. The parathyroid hormone regulates the calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the body. Our body calcium and phosphorus metabolism is regulated by parathyroid hormone. They act as bone, kidney, intestine and maintain the blood calcium levels. These parathyroid hormones act on bones, kidney, intestine and blood calcium levels. Next, parathyroid difunctions. Difunction means decreased function is called as parathyroid difunctions. The secretion of parathyroid hormones can be altered due to the following conditions. The removal of parathyroid gland is called thyroidectomy. That is called as removal of thyroid gland. That is thyroidectomy. Thyroidectomy is called as removal of thyroid gland. Cause the decreased secretion of parathyroid. These conditions are: the removal of parathyroid gland is called as thyroidectomy. The symptoms is muscular spasms, that is called as tetany disease, that is called as sustained contraction of the muscles, face and larynx and hands and feet. முகம் கைகாலெல்லாம் நரம்பு இழுத்து பிடிச்சி அப்படி ஸ்டன் ஆயிரும், அதுக்கு பேர் டெட்டனி. These painful cramps of the limb muscles, these are the symptoms of parathyroid gland. Once more reply, parathyroid hormone. The parathyroxine regulates the calcium and phosphorus metabolism of our body. Our body calcium and phosphorus metabolism is regulated by parathyroid hormone. They act as bone, kidney and intestine to maintain the blood calcium levels. They act on bones, kidneys and intestines to maintain the blood calcium levels. Next, parathyroid difunction means slow functions. The secretion of parathyroid hormone can be altered due to the following conditions. The removal of parathyroid gland is called as thyroidectomy. So the decreased secretion of parathyroid hormone also leads. The functions of parathyroid hormones is muscle spasms, that is called as tetany disease. Tetany disease, the sustained contraction of muscles and face and larynx and hands and feet is called as tetany. It also leads to the painful cramps of the limbs. Painful cramps of the limbs. Okay, thank you students. Let us meet next topic.